If you get this error message from Crunchyroll and the error says, oops, something went wrong, with an error code which is P-KAT-6005, and it seems people who are watching using the Xbox are the one mostly affected by this problem, ensure that you follow the instructions very carefully. In most cases, it's not you. The issue is just on the end. Some of their online services are currently experiencing a problem due to an outage. If you go to thisisstatus.crunchyroll.com, I'll put the link on the description of this video. You can see they say here some services are experiencing an outages, and those services include the app. We can see here an X which shows that this is a major outages in most regions, including North America, South America, Europe, Asia, and Australia. Now, due to this outage, you'll need to wait until the servers are restored. While you wait, you can try to restart your device that you're watching the video and the router, then try again. But if it all fails, then it's not you. The issue is just on the end. Some of their online services are currently experiencing a problem due to an outage. You can track their server status through this page by going to status.crunchyroll.com. You can see right now their apps is having a major outage. Thanks so much for watching this video, and see you next time.